Alright, what's up? Billy Paradise here. Thanks for watching. This video today is about fungus gnats. Do they cause damage to your plants? Or are they just an inert pest that is more of an eyesore than an actual pest? You be the judge. Your two chocolate habaneros, euphoria peppers, scorpion peppers, tomatoes that are just clumped in here together because I'm going to separate those out once I get room once the weather changes outside. More habaneros, charapitas, Carolina Reapers, Lesia, orange cayenne. I don't know if you can see the flies flying around as I stir around in here a little bit. Maybe you can. We got marigolds and leeks, more habaneros, some propagating lavender, trying out some tomatoes, more tomatoes, agastache, whole tray of tomatoes here, and I got cactus as well. So there's definitely a diversity. There's definitely a diversity of plants that are going here, and you can see down in there. They're sprouting. Now, here you will observe where I had fly strip at. Look at every single fungus gnat. Those were fungus gnats that have been accumulated over the past 5 months. You think that's it? Well, there's one flying around right there. You think that's it? There's still a bunch in there. This is fly strip that I've used. Look at it, it's covered. Everywhere the fly strip touched and it got that stickiness on the plastic, it created a new adhesion spot for the flies to get stuck. So you can actually take one fly strip and just tap it along the wall and get that sticky residue on the plastic, and then move it again and do that and do that and do that over and over again. And you'll keep coming up with spots like this where you can use one fly strip and basically multiply it. Look at all those fungus gnats that are stuck to that. Look at all of them. They're just millions. There's thousands and thousands and thousands of them, and they don't stop. I put peroxide in the soil, and when I did that, it seemed to make things worse. It was like I really just stirred the pot when I did the peroxide flush. And I've also put sand on the top layer. I took it out now because it wasn't serving any purpose, but I was putting sand in the pots because somebody said that the fungus gnats don't like the sand. Well, you be the judge. Look at those fungus gnats living in the sand. They're in there. Look at them go. Tons of fungus gnats. But look, like I said, do they damage plants? You be the judge. I've been fighting tooth and nail with these things up until recently, whenever I realized all my plants are doing very well. Everything has been started in here from seed, except for this fig, that fig, and this propagated fireleaf plant, as my kid calls it. I don't know exactly the name of it. And this wild oregano that my lady found. Everything else, from the Asian pear trees, the peach trees, every pepper, ground cherry, is started from seed. Even the cactus, everything's infested with fungus gnats, but yet everything still grows proper. So, in summary, fungus gnats don't damage plants. You don't have to be freaking out, scared, or nervous about your plants' crops being destroyed by fungus gnats. They are fungus gnats. They eat fungus. Right? Here's down here in my floor where I have plastic. Watch this. This gets wet and it doesn't drain off very well. So you can see it gets water down there. A lot of fungus gnats live down there. I gotta remove this plastic out and redo that. That was from my mushroom grow room. But yeah. Alright, so like I was saying, fungus gnats don't damage plants. I'd almost bet my last dollar on it because, I mean, here I am risking all my seedlings on it. Even the cactus. Even the cactus. Everything's still growing. So don't trip over fungus gnats.